Okay, it's time for the scene with the drift. Now we will add another recreate. This old one, we will hide it. Here we write visible. We don't want to delete it. Okay, where is the visibility here of this? Show rail visualization. Okay, fine. We stopped it. And now I will add another one. So cinematic recreate will be here. Now I will rotate it to -180. And I will move it somewhere here. We need a bigger distance before the drift from where our car will start. Maybe here. Now it's time to extend it here and here, to extend it a bit to make this turn for the drift. Okay, perfect. You have to be smooth. Okay, something like that. It looks fine. Maybe here a bit. And our car here. Okay, that's good. I will move it to the ground a bit. And now, where is our car? Shelby. I will add it to the second recreate here, and I will drag it here. I will start from here, for example. Perfect. And now let's make a sequencer again. At level sequence, it will be 0.9. Oops. Save. Now let's add the Shelby and the recreate inside. The second recreate, not the first one. Again, attach the recreate. Here, Shelby model, again, control rig. And here the recreate. Current position, it will be from here. And here is the end. Okay. Let's see. For now it's fine, but it's not following the turn, so let's do it. Outliner, let's find the recreate. Details here. Lock orientation. Perfect. Now we'll follow our turn. But this is not enough. We have to animate in the body and the tires in front. Okay, here it's not slide. It's not smooth here. You have to make it as smooth as possible. Okay, it's smooth now. Save. Now it's time to animate our car. So let's see from where our drift will start. Okay, we need more space before the drift. Okay, I will extend this here, for example. That's perfect. Yes, it's enough here. So our drift will start from here, for example. And our car, it's coming here. Okay. So let's open here the control rig body and wheel rotation and steering. So the wheel rotation always have to work. So wheel rotation here. Something like that here to rotate. Okay, they're rotating fast. And now wheel rotation. So here our tires, steering. You have to be like that here. But first, you have to be normal here. Okay. So the tires are fine. Now it's time for the body. Maybe first to add one camera here. One camera, again DSLR. Here we want the full focus, so it will be 22. Let's place our camera. Maybe from here, let's check in path tracer. Okay, it's fine. And now let's add the transform to our camera. So location, rotation will be here now. The camera won't move, which is perfect. Okay. Now I will bring up my view to see the car better. So here, our car have to change the body movement. So body here. And let's go close to the car. And let's make again the, okay, here. Also, we will need a transform menu, the global one. Okay, generally it's time to rotate our car. Let's check outside the camera. Okay, fine. And now let's make a rotation of our body of the car, but the global rotation. So it will start where our steering is turning. It's here. So from here, we'll add a rotation keyframes. And here, I'll do something like that. Okay, now it's rotating like a it's not okay, so let's fix it. So here we have to make it 359 and to add a keyframe. And now we'll be fine. Look, perfect. And here to start fixing the movement of the car. Okay, let's check how it looks through our camera. Okay, the drift have to start earlier, you can see. It's starting here, but have to start earlier, so let's make it earlier. Maybe from here. Let's check. Okay, much better. Okay, I think this is too much from the rotation yaw here. Oops, again, I clicked all of the keyframes. Okay, before was 341, 346. Let's click save. Okay, perfect. And the wheels have to start. No, it's fine. It's fine, but let's do it. So here, wheels have to start bringing back from the 0, but somewhere here, because the car won't make the juf all of the time. Let's click save. Okay, let's see how it looks here in the path tracer now. Okay, it looks good. And let's check how it looks from the behind and from the top. Okay, it looks smooth. Maybe this one here. Oops, not, I moved the road. I want to move the recreate. Okay, I think now it will be much better. Let's see through the camera. I will save my layout from here. if something happened, I'm afraid to lose it. Okay, it's very smooth, I like it. And let's click here save one more time, and we are ready with this animation of the drift here. The next stuff which we have to add here is the smoke from the tires. So in the next chapter, I will show you how to use Niagara particle systems in Unreal, and I will explain you step by step how to make the smoke, and after that to place it behind the car to look more realistic, because now without smoke it's not a drift. But first, let's add some animation on the camera to look better. So camera, it's here. Okay, good. So I will move this to the beginning, and when our car is here, we can make something like that, like a rotation, but we have to deselect everything. Okay, we have small rotation here. Perfect. Let's add also the camera shake. Okay, here the camera shake, it's also inside, but this rotation, it's not good because we see the back side of our car. So we will do something like that. Okay, we forget this. Perfect, we don't see anything, but we have this camera shake inside. Let's see when we start it how it looks. Okay, it looks good with this camera shake. You can add different camera shake settings as you want, as I told you before. Okay, now it's time to add maybe the smoke in the next lecture. Okay, maybe here, let's try to add the faster camera shake when it's going closer to the camera. So again here, camera shake 0, 2 was the fastest. No, it's not good for me. So I will bring back the previous one into the same place. Like that. We don't need too much camera shake here. Like that, it's not natural. Let's click save. And yeah, maybe the camera animation, let's bring it a bit up here, like that. And to add the keyframes. Okay, it looks fine.